How to hide Facebook Marketplace post from friends. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So before starting the video, make sure to update Facebook to the latest version. After updating Facebook, open a Facebook on a device. Now tap on the Marketplace. Now tap on the profile icon next to the messenger icon. Now tap on your listings. Now simply tap on create listing. Now select any item. Now fill up all the details. Now scroll down. Now under listing options, you will find an option for hide from friends. Now simply enable this toggle and tap on publish at the top right corner. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.